So I'm a big fan of ANCEL products, and this one is no exception. So this is the ANCEL AD610 Pro. This is a OBD2 scanner, and it's capable of performing actions such as ABS bleeding, barcode reading, bidirectional diagnostic, SAS airbag, ABS oil light, and EPB reset. So you could run active tests, you could run live data scanning and monitoring, you could check codes, you could clear codes once issues have been resolved, or clear a code to see whether the code comes back. This way you could confirm whether you have a hard code or a temporary intermittent code. This is great for the DIY car owner and the seasoned mechanic, and even the shade tree mechanic, to have one of these scan tools that's capable of all these functions. It's easy to plug in. It gives a nice wire to the port, very generous. The scan tool is nice size, can be handheld, it can be set so that you could monitor it. Easy button functions, meaning you have north, south, east, west buttons and an enter in the middle. You have your F1, F2, F3 buttons. This way, when you move the cursor on the screen to the settings, it tells you the separate options that you could activate by using the F1, F2, F3 buttons. Has a help button and a back button. So very simple layout for controls. All the vital information is there. It was super easy to update. It gives lifetime updates. It comes with a USB Type-C cord. This way you could update via your computer or even using Wi-Fi. So this is a very powerful diagnostic tool that goes beyond the simple read tool errors and stuff like that. So even if you're not capable of performing these tasks, going into a mechanic or a dealer with basic information and an idea will keep you on the same page with the mechanic, figuring out if there's a problem and how to fix it the most economical way. So ANCEL does it again, and this is a nice unit, comes in a nice little carrying case. This way you could keep it in your vehicle or stored in your garage or home. And if you tinker or want to be informed mechanic or dealer customer, having one of these scanners is key.